stone. Breath goes in, name your own. Take this hour, still and clean. Heart unarmed, hands between.
Copper coin in your palm, feel its edge, feel it warm. Speak it once, bread and roof, speak it twice, more than enough.
Shalai, shalai, Romanari, open bowl and open reach.
Shallah, shallah, domonari, open hari.
Shalai, shalai, Romanari, open bowl and open hinge.
Shallah, shallah, domonari, open hari.
What I call in peace.
Let this plenty never cease.
Grain of rice on your tongue. Old words rise, new words young.
Under breath, steady, slow. Gold that grows where love can go.
Shalai, shalai, Ramanari, open bowl and open dream.
Shallah, shallah, domonari, open hari.
Shalai, shalai, Ramanari, open bowl and open hand.
Shallah, shallah, domonari, open hari.
Right foot rooted, left foot free. What I welcome welcomes me.
Iron key against your chest. Doors of effort open best.
Speak forward, speak for rest. Blessed giving, blessed kept. Shalai, shalai, Ramanari, open bowl and open head. Speak forward, speak for rest.
Blessed given, blessed kept.